either the wind died down or this is a little bit more protected right here. Because we're not getting... Got one? Yep. Ooh, nice one. Oh, that's a 3-pounder. Yep, that's gotta be a 3, dude. Get him in. Right at the shallow, too. Actually, oh shit, I'm getting bite too.
Oh shit, sorry.
Yep, it's tasting it. It's taking it. Yeah. Oh, damn, this one feels bigger. Oh, stay down. No!
You lost that?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah.
I was waiting for a double up.
Ah. Dude, it
Like
was so shallow right there. That's a 3+.
At least 3+.
Yeah, that's about the same size.
This is already 3+.
Damn it. I didn't get a good hook set. It's kind of like a...
Yeah, you're like kind of still looking at me.
God dang. He's coming up to jump to it. I was hoping that he wouldn't. You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is good enough to...
How do you switch to KG on active? There it is.
Oh, getting...
They're out.
Getting some nibbles over there. They must be spawning at this spot.
214.
Oh, that one's only 214?
I'll check it again, but it's just 214.
Dang, I thought it was at least a 3.
Yep, 214.
Dang, that one's pretty fat. Getting little nibbles, maybe some sunnies nibbling it. Dang, that was my one that was weighable. Gonna have to come back later.
Actually,
to try to catch it again. It might be around here later. Let it rest for like a few.
Oh yeah, me and Lana, we spent an hour plus here, and then we came back, and then came back.
They still bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nope, you're good. I don't think these guys are in chasing mood yet. They still want the right on the drop.
Carver only 1 bite on chatterbait in 3 days.
Oh really?
No pikes. Now powers, I've caught 10 already on chatterbaits.
Really?
1, 3, and about 8.
At powers?
Yep. But a lot of them are small, like 10 to 13 inches. But I did catch 1 3-pounder.
Oh okay.
But they're, I don't know
caught
why.
3-pounder? You didn't weigh it?
That's when I took the video, but my kids took the scale.
Oh.
I was yelling at them.
What the hell?
I sent you guys the video, but my kids. And guess what? They didn't even take it. I thought they took it out because they were playing with the bag. That was when I lost it at Carver the first time on opening day.
Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. It doesn't feel that big. It doesn't feel heavy. It bit right on the drop. I think these guys are... Oh, damn, actually it is big. Get the net.
Don't lose them this time, dude. Oh, shit, I lose them here.
Oh, shit. This one is big. Come on. I only got 12 pounds, like, stay down.
Oh, man, I got 18 pounds. Oh,
dude, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's what we're talking about.
Yes.
Oh,
I told
shit.
you.
Right outside.
I told you.
Look at that.
5-pounder.
Oh my god. This is what we're talking about. It doesn't feel that big. Alright, let me get out a little bit. Damn. The big blade, dude. Oh shit. Sheesh. Oh shit. Damn. This is why we come out here, dude.
Let me do the video. I'll do it when you're ready.
Yeah, let me get a picture first. God damn.
Let me take the picture. Do your own selfie first. I'll do the actual.
Take a picture.
Here, let me use my phone, okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, this is water.
How should I hold it?
Yeah, like that. rays.
Yeah, there's a lot of bluegills here. Oh. Alright, let's go work the back side. I usually catch fish in the back.
Here?
The back side over there.
Oh. Yeah. I've never even fished that here.
Oh, you never gone that far?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a good spot back there too. It's like a few trees clumped together. It's gonna be a pike. It's chasing those bluegills. There we go. Oh, there's a bass. Something chased the rock. It was feeding on the bluegills over there. No, I think it's like a 2. It looks bigger over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby.
It's like a bunch of those today.
Yep. I saw it like hit the fish over there.
Oh.
Woo woo! Little 2-pounder. Well, you know, they're feeding on some bluegills over there. Yep, 205. Got a nice little belly. A little bit of red. Maybe they're just getting done spawning.
Oh.
The tail is kind of red.
Yeah.
Tree stump right here. A couple of them. There's some weeds around it. Might be good to throw whopper plopper.
That's what I'm so good about this like co-op topper. A lot of the grass is like right below
The top.
the water.
Yeah. There we go. Feels pretty heavy. Feels pretty heavy. A whole bunch of bluegills, dude. Oh, it's a pike. It's a big ass pike. But you want to get the net? I don't want to lose it. Ah. Yeah, still there.
I was like, he's oh,
Dang.
yeah, 12 pound.
12 pound, yeah.
12 pound left. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh,
That's thick.
big ass one. Oh, it's good. All right, quick release, nice. No, I don't want to touch him. Stuck. I'm gonna reverse, or actually, it's getting hella warm. Getting some nice ass. Wait. Where?
They are bedding. We just can't see them.
Where is it?
There's that here.
Oh, it was right here. What the fuck? I was trying to throw it there. Well, not right there, but. Like down here more?
Yeah.
We can't see them.
It's like turn to the side. I almost like a bluegill.
Ooh, oh fuck, that's a carp. I was like, fuck, that's big. I was like, oh shit, that's a big ass one. Shit. Yep. It bit over there. It feels big too. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's a 3-pounder.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I could roll flip. That's a skinny 3. Woo!
Yeah, it's skinny.
Skinny guy. Maybe they are spawning deeper.
They're all like...
Woo! Look at that. I just threw it to the side over there. Wasn't even paying attention. He ate my freaking tanuki, or did he spit it out?